Short, simple routing for plumbing and heating and cooling is one of the easiest ways to keep a new home truly budget-friendly. When you centralize wet areas, you shorten pipe runs, reduce fittings, and make every future repair easier and cheaper. Picture bathrooms, the kitchen, and the laundry clustered around a core wall instead of scattered at opposite corners of the house, so your main water lines and drains move in straight, compact paths. Stacking bathrooms vertically, with toilets and showers directly above each other, lets one drain stack and one vent serve multiple fixtures, which saves on pipe, labor, and framing cuts. Place the laundry close to the kitchen and preferably on the same side of the house as the mechanical room, so your hot water, cold water, and drain runs are all short and direct. Minimize long duct runs for heating and cooling by placing the air handler near the center of the house and designing supply trunks that branch in short, straight chutes to each room, avoiding tight turns and unnecessary splits that steal air pressure. For plumbing, consider a manifold system, which is a central distribution panel where hot and cold water lines branch individually to each fixture, because this can simplify layout, reduce hidden joints in walls and ceilings, and make balancing and future changes much faster. One big mistake is designing the floor plan first and tossing the mechanical layout in at the end, which usually creates awkward chases and long runs. So fix that by having your designer and mechanical contractor sketch pipe and duct paths while the plan is still flexible. Another problem is stacking bathrooms loosely but not aligning toilets, showers, and vent stacks precisely, which still forces extra bends and offsets. So insist that the plumber and framer coordinate exact fixture locations before framing starts. A third common issue is placing the furnace or air handler at one far end of the house, which leads to long, uneven ducts that cause hot and cold spots and more energy use. So push to locate the unit near the thermal center of the home and keep main ducts short, straight, and properly sized. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help tie all of this planning together by making it easier for homeowners to find local contractors who understand smart, simplified routing for plumbing and heating and cooling in budget-friendly construction. On our site, contractors can showcase their work, homeowners can search for the right pros, and all of us can learn from each other in our discussion community where people trade plans, lessons learned, and practical ideas.